The import and export functions are still the best way to zip all project data and share with a colleague or the NC Simul team. However, if you want a quicker solution within your own environments, you can utilize the Send Selected Toward tool. Simply save and close your active project and navigate to the same area of the screen, instead selecting the alternate function. You will then be prompted to select an existing destination environment for all the data elements, or you can create a new folder first. After confirmation, head over to that selected environment to find your project. Since it hasn't been opened before, you will find it under Projects Not Recent, so make sure to check that. Open it as normal and you're ready to start working again, verifying the G-code, simulating the material removal, and certifying your toolpath processes.